Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kingsley and this is Rhythm Holding LLC. And today I want to share with you guys how I was able to use this simple break and retest strategy to get this entry on V10, Volatility 10 on the Deriv market. And for a while now, I have been trading on only Deriv and the result has been mind-blowing. And so today, if you are watching this video, I will want to share with you guys how I was able to catch this trade. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame, and this is the 4-hour time frame. And as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, the market was giving us higher high. Let me change the color to white. Okay, so on the 4-hour time frame, the market was giving us higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then it breaks out of this structure, giving us another higher high. So I was expecting the market to come here and retest the zone that I've marked, then give us another high, breaking the structure, and then the trend will continue until it will get to this zone here. But what happened was that when the market got to this zone, let me zoom in and show you something. When the market go to the zone where it breaks out, you see that it gave us this green candle. So I was expecting that there will be another green candle engulfing this one so that we will have a morning star here. And with that morning star, I will take the trade at the break, at the close of that candle. That will give us that morning star. Right after the close of that candlestick pattern, then I will jump into the market. You see, when you look here, this is a morning star here, and this was the exact pattern that I was looking for out here. But the market failed to give me that thing. Instead, it break out rather. So I zoom out to the 30-minute time frame. Time frame. So this is the 30-minute time frame. And as you can see, even on the 30-minute time frame, you can see that the market was losing its momentum. The buyers were losing their momentum because I have my counter trend line. The counter trend line, you see, this is the counter trend line. This is the counter trend line. Let me show you something here. Okay. So this is higher low, higher high, another higher low here. Okay, let me show you guys. We have another higher high here, another higher low here. And so this whole move here is another higher high. And you can see that the market was struggling here. The market was struggling here. So when the market came back here and then gave me this high, I was expecting that the market can come up and break the high over here. You understand? But as the market failed to come up and break this high here, I realized that then it will be very difficult for the market to go up again because one, the market has break out of this trend line. It has break out of this trend line. As you can see, it has break out of this trend line. Forgive me for the drawings. And also breaking out of the trend line, it has come back to retest the trend line. You see, giving me something like this. You see, so that was where I drew this zone here, this support zone here. So I told myself that look, as the market has break out of this trend line and retest it, I will only enter a sell if it comes back here and then break out of it. That is when I will only take a sell. I don't know if you understand what I said. Okay, let me repeat this. Let me repeat this here. I said that I am not going to trade this market or I'm not going to sell this market, and I'm not going to buy this market unless I see that this support zone here, the support zone here, has been breached. Meaning, unless I see that the market has come down and break out of this support zone here. And if you break out of that support zone, I will either give it an aggressive entry or wait for a pullback here, and then I will sell to the zone here. You understand? So now, after getting this on the 30-minute time frame, I went down again to the 15-minute time frame to look at what the market will do. And so what I saw on the 15-minute time frame was that the market came down here, retested, came down here, give me another pullback, and then break out of this market. The reason why I entered the market here was because that I realized the market was giving me, let me show you, low, 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 and then it break out here like this. So when I saw that the market has break out of this zone by giving me lower high here, lower low here, another lower high here, another lower low here, it break out of that low here, then I enter the market here. Do you see it? I realized that the market is now going down. The market is now going down. And also on the 15-minute time frame, we have the the inverted head and shoulder. You see, we have the inverted head and shoulder. This is it. This is it. We have the inverted head and shoulder here. We have the inverted head and shoulder here. We have the inverted head and shoulder. If you can see very well, this is the left, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder, the left shoulder, and the head. So that is what made me to enter the trade. That is what made me to enter this trade. And I am expecting the market to hit my TP over here. And as you can see, when the market got to this zone, it is trying to play along. It is trying to play hard to get. And my Excel was here. My Excel was here. My Excel was here. My entries were here. And my TP was down here. TP here. Excel here. Entries here. I just wanted to protect my capital. That was why I put the Excel at this zone, because the fractals showed me that this is a zone. You understand? The fractals are here. I could have choose to put the Excel here, but I just needed to give it more room to breathe in case it decides to from here, it decides to come up here again. I know the break of structure is here. It can even come here, take the liquidity, and then begin going down. But I just decided to put my Excel here at this zone. Yeah, so I'll be bringing you guys more trade like this. When I hit the stop loss, I'll show you guys how I was able to, how my trade got hits on the Excel. And as I'm hitting TP, I'll also bring you analysis on how I entered the trade. Please, if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit on the post, and don't forget to hit on the post notification button so that this very particular video will also be shown or forwarded to people who are also new in trading. Don't forget to like and share. Once again, my name is Kingsley, and this is Rhythm Holdings LLC. Peace out.